Good morning, 8th class students. Next chapter we discuss is chapter number 12 of your science book, and name of the chapter is friction. Scientific concepts are the integral part of our life because our life is whole surrounded by science only. Behind our every action there is an application of science. Learning science is not only about reading your science textbooks and writing tests only. It is about understanding the simple science in our day-to-day life and use it in our day-to-day life so that we can improve our life and conserve the resources. All this we have to discuss in this chapter. In this chapter we will learn about types of friction, advantage and disadvantages of friction. You have learnt about the type of forces earlier in the lower classes. One of the most important contact force is friction. It means what is the nature of frictional force? It is a contact force. When two bodies are in the contact with each other, only then frictional force occur. Without contact, no friction is there. Walking comes naturally to us, but have you ever wondered that what enables us to walk? Why it is more difficult to than walking? Running is more difficult. Why does a car slow down on applying the brakes? Why do your hands warm up on rubbing? So all these questions can be explained only on the basis of friction. The answer to all these questions is simply friction only. Let us learn about the force of friction. So in this chapter we will discuss about what is friction and how does it operates. A friction is a force that always opposes the movement of object. It means it always opposes the movement, that if the body is going in which direction, then the friction always occur in the opposite direction. If the body goes here in this direction, then the frictional force will be occur in this direction. It means frictional force always occur in the opposite direction. It is denoted by small f and force is denoted by the capital F. If the force is occur in this direction, frictional force is always backside. Is it clear?